All right, page 171. Jessica has just opened a new restaurant, Chocolata, which serves nothing but chocolate milk. She is experimenting with two new flavors, a spicy chocolate milk and a dark chocolate milk. Jessica has asked you to provide a report analyzing customer feedback about the new flavors. You have conducted a survey of 20 random customers, asking each customer to rate a flavor on a scale of 0 to 100. So I know I have it on dual screen because we would have to use this data set to get our dot plot right here. Okay, so this is the response from the 20 random customers. So one person said spicy, rating 50, spicy 70, dark 20, and so on. Okay, so we're going to use this to create a dot plot right here on page 72. So it says display the results on a dot plot. Use an X to represent the spicy flavor responses and an O to represent the dark flavor responses. So if we look back at this data set, spicy is represented by X. So on 50, so there's 150, right? So we're going to put an X on 50 here. And spicy 70, so where you see 70, you're going to put X because X represents spicy and O represents dark. So dark is O 20, so we're going to put 20 O here, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a bit, but 30, so we're going to put O above 30 and 100 above, X above 100 for spicy and so on. So go ahead and pause the video and fill that out on your own. All right, so you guys should have gotten something like this. So we have O's for the dark flavor and X's for the spicy flavor. Now, what observations can you make from your dot plot? Well, we can say that the ratings for the flavors range from 10, so that was the minimum, and the maximum was 100, so it was ranging from 10 to 100. Okay, the average rating is around 50. So like it looks like it's about the middle number would be about the 50. And number 3, describe the distribution of data values for spicy flavor and for dark flavor. So when we're talking about the distribution, it's about either it looks symmetric or it looks skewed right or skewed left. So if you look at both of them, each flavor's data distribution appears to be symmetric, right? If you're just looking at this O right in blue, right, it's pretty much about symmetric. Same thing for the X here. Okay, so symmetric means it's like when you fold it in half, you would get about the same. Like the image on this side would be about the same as this side. Okay, so it would peak up here and it'll come down right back. So that's symmetric. Skewed right is when you have this tail longer on the right side, and where the median would be like right here. And the skewed to the left would be when you have the tail on the left side. Okay, so tail meaning the data set right here. The most of the data, the median would be towards the right. Okay. All right, number 4, it says analyze the data values on your dot plot for spicy and dark. So estimate the mean rating for the spicy flavor. Mark the mean on your dot plot with an S. Explain how you determine your estimate. So estimate the mean rating. Okay, so mean is, you should have watched the video already on mean medium mode. But mean is, once again, it's another word for average. So you're taking the average of the spicy flavor. So spicy is represented by X, so we focus on the X ones right here. So we have 50, and there are 3 60s. So 50s plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 80 plus 80 plus 100. All divided by however many data set we had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there were 10 responses for spicy. So we add them all up, divided by 10. We get 70. So the mean rating for the spicy flavor was 70. So the average rating for spicy was 70. Okay. Same thing for D. Oh, and let's go ahead and label that S right here under 70 for spicy, and estimate the mean rating for the dark flavor. So once again, it's the same thing. We're going to take all these up, the O's, and we're going to add them up divided by the number of the data values. So we have 10. So we add 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, and there's 60. So you add them all up, divided by 10, you get 30. That means the average rating for the dark flavor was 30.